PP-17 Rawalpindi-XII. PP-17 Rawalpindi-XII is a constituency of Provincial Assembly of Punjab. 2008-2013 PP-12 Rawalpindi-XII. 2013-2018 PP-12 Rawalpindi-XII. General elections were held on 11 May 2013. Ijaz Khan won this seat with 35,836 votes. 1 votes won. All candidates receiving over 1,000 votes are listed here. 2018-2023 PP-17 Rawalpindi-XII. From 2018 PP-11 Rawalpindi-XII become PP-17 Rawalpindi-XII with some changes as follow of the following census charges of Rawalpindi City: 1 charge no, 18-2 charge no, 19-3 charge no, 24 charge no, 21 T1 and T1 circle no, 1 and 2 5 charge no, 27 and 6 charge no, 28 of Rawalpindi district. 2 writ, 2 writ, 2 writ, 2 writ, 2 writ, 2. General elections are scheduled to be held on 25 July 2018.